Today in this video, we are going to share you very easy tip and tricks to get rid of that stubborn belly fat and get that slim belly that you have always dreamt of. It is not that difficult. So, without ado, let's get started. We are starting by doing a little bit of a warm-up. Everyone can get flexible if they work at it. Some people have a natural gift for flexibility, others have to struggle to gain every little bit, but everyone can get there. It takes persistence and regular training, and the muscles adapt and respond. Now we are doing side stretching. Keep your right arm up high and lean to the left. Keep leaning and lowering your left hand until you feel a tug on the right side of your torso. Allow your neck to drop and sink into the stretch. Stay here for 5 to 10 seconds before returning to your starting position. Repeat on the other side. Continue alternating for 10 to 20 repetitions. Now we are doing side to side soldier twist for 30 seconds as shown in the video. Now we are doing crossed knee tuck for about 30 seconds as shown in the video. Now it's time for a windmill. Let's do windmill for next 30 seconds. Happy windmilling! Now let's say good morning to our lovely squats. Happy squatting for next 30 seconds. Look at the video and try to do the square as shown in the video. Now our workout begins. We are doing diagonal scissor for about 40 seconds and we will take rest for 10 seconds. Let's begin. Do as shown in the video. It's time to rest for 10 seconds. Next we are doing oblique to cross crunch. We are doing cross crunch in our left side. So in this 40 seconds, we are focusing only our left part. It's resting time again. Let's rest our body for 10 seconds. Now we are doing oblique to cross crunch in our right side. We are focusing on our right body part in these 40 seconds. Hey, it's rest time again. Let's take rest for 10 seconds. Our next exercise for 40 seconds is toe touch reach up, and we are focusing on our right side. Let's ignore our left toe for 40 seconds and only focus on our right toe. Oh, it's rest time again. Let's take rest for 10 seconds. First of all, let's say sorry to our left toe that we ignored it for 40 seconds. Now all our priority goes to our left toe. That's it, we are done with our exercise. You can do this exercise 2 to 3 times a week, not more than that. And also take enough nutritious food.